If you have ever struggled with keeping your Airbnb and booking calendars up to date, or if you are looking for an easy way to avoid double bookings, you probably know how frustrating it can be. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to sync your Airbnb calendar with your booking listing so you can save time and manage your bookings easily. Watch till the end. Let's get started. First, make sure you do all of this on a computer or laptop, because a phone might not offer all the features that are going to be on a laptop or computer. First, open a browser and go to Airbnb website, then log into your account. Once you have logged into your Airbnb account, you're gonna go to the top right and click on Switch to Hosting. After switching to hosting, select calendar here. And in the right side, you are supposed to see here availability settings that you are going to click on. Make sure you scroll down, and as you can see here, there is connect to another website. You're just gonna click here. Now what you're gonna do is go to booking website and again log into your booking account. Now to list a property, you are going to choose one of these. For example, if it's an apartment, you're gonna click on list your property. This is going to be dependent on the property that you want to list. We're just gonna click on continue. Now this page is very important. Make sure here you select Airbnb. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to the Airbnb website and copy this link of the Airbnb calendar. You're gonna click on copy, then go to booking and paste the link that you have copied. And here you're gonna click on import. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the link of the property that you have listed here and go to Airbnb and paste it here. And this is how you can sync your Airbnb calendar with your booking listing so you can save time and make it easier. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.